Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
The SEC versus Ripple lawsuit has heated up in recent days, following the release of Ripple's 2012 legal memos, which provide guidance on how to avoid treating XRP as a security in the eyes of the Securities and Exchange Commission. However, the lawsuit is expected to pick up speed in the coming days as more documents are released. According to the perspective of XRP holders attorney John Deaton, Judge Sarah Net Byrne will shortly be faced with the most significant decision in the history of the Ripple. As previously reported, the magistrate recently ruled on the deliberative process privilege (DPP) issue with a few victories for Ripple, which were sufficient to be considered a positive outcome for the defendants and XRP holders, as Bill Hinman's speech, as well as related notes and drafts, were found not to be privileged. In its capacity as a plaintiff, the SEC subsequently filed a petition for reconsideration, contending that what was formerly referred to as personal opinion is now referred to as public guidance. Many people were taken aback by the SEC 180-degree pivot following the lawsuit, but Magistrate Net Byrne will actually be the one to decide whether or not they were right. By the way, what do you think about this incident? Let us know in the comment section down below. With the approaching ruling in the SEC versus Ripple case, John Deaton, the attorney representing the more than 65,000 XRP holders who have been granted amicus curiae status in the case, has expressed his thoughts on the decision, emphasizing how important it will be for the outcome of the litigation. Judge Net Byrne's decision on the motion for reconsideration will be the biggest decision in the Ripple case. I say that because I don't believe the motion to strike the fair notice defense is a significant one, because the judge isn't deciding whether Ripple had fair notice, but only whether it can argue it, he said. In this case, the reconsideration request is related to the 63 emails that contained drafts and comments on the Hinman ed no longer being considered a security lecture. When it comes down to it, the final version of the speech addresses both Bitcoin and Ethereum. The final version of the document does not allude to or mention XRP in any way. Comment XRP Army if you believe Deaton is right. In January 2018, XRP reached an all-time high above $3, surpassing Ethereum to become the world's second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. This was 6 months before the Hinman speech, and XRP was the world's second largest cryptocurrency. What are the chances that XRP would not be mentioned at all in any of the 63 emails that were sent? What are the chances that at least one participant in the email chain brought up the subject of XRP in his or her email? In the email chain, there was an opportunity for someone to ask an extremely logical question, such as, "What about XRP?" As soon as someone grasps the fundamentals of how ETH was formed and employed, as well as how XRP was generated and utilized, it becomes really rational to ask. For example, attorney Wendy Moore, a partner at Perkins Coie, a legal firm that is well versed in both ETH and XRP, inquired about this same topic in a recent interview. To put it bluntly, after you get a thorough understanding of both ETH and XRP, it's hard to avoid asking that question. In a letter to the SEC dated December 17, 2020, Joseph Grunfest, one of the ETH founders' advisors, explained why this was the case. The identical question was addressed by the Perkins Coie attorneys, who represented both platforms. It's reasonable to believe that XRP was mentioned in at least one of the communications. According to the information we have, on June 13, 2018, an analysis of XRP as a security had been completed, and the letter did not urge enforcement. If this is the case, the simple fact that XRP was mentioned in the communication serves as an exculpatory factor. If Judge Net Byrne finally finds that the emails must be given up, this will be a watershed moment in the case. Not to mention that even if the SEC is successful in convincing her that the emails are protected by the DPP, she may still pierce the privilege and order the records to be turned over for inspection. The fact that she rules the emails are protected yet directs the SEC to provide them indicates that XRP is being discussed and/or the material is genuinely exculpatory in nature. It is possible that the judge will pierce the privilege if she considers the evidence as exculpatory and Ripple has no other options of getting it other than via litigation. If she overturns her prior order and determines that the emails are privileged but does not penetrate the privilege, The emails, while beneficial to Ripple, are unlikely to be as significant as we believe they are. Do you agree that this is really all about XRP versus ETH? If yes, then make sure to like this video. As well as that, we've got some fantastic new information on the XRP cryptocurrency. That is to say, the whales are going insane. For XRP addresses that contain at least 10 million native units, the trend has been a return to accumulation in the previous 3 months. A pattern that was seen prior to a significant surge in the XRP, USD and XRP, BTC pairings in late 2020. An increase of 76% in the number of XRP, mega whale, addresses since December 2021 has been seen by analytics firm Santiment, which shows that they have added a total of 897 million tokens, valued at roughly $712 million as of February 18th, to their holdings. In addition, the platform stated that XRP accumulation seen in the previous 3 months was the second largest in the coin's history, behind only the first. The first large-scale accumulation occurred between November and December 2020, during which whales deposited a total of 1.29 billion XRP to their respective addresses. It's worth noting that the increase in XRP supply into whale addresses corresponded with a price increase for the cryptocurrency relative to Bitcoin. Between November 1, 2020 and November 24, 2020, the exchange rate between XRP and Bitcoin increased by over 150%, reaching a peak of 3,502 satoshis. In addition, XRP gained ground against the dollar, with the price of XRP USD rising by more than 250% to 82 cents during the same time. According to Santiment, the recent spike in whales-led accumulation has raised the possibility of a similar upward trend in the XRP market, as depicted by Santiment in the above chart. However, it is important to note that XRP's meteoric rise in November 2020 was mostly fueled by Ripple's decision to acquire $46 million worth of XRP in order to support healthy markets. As reported by CoinDesk, the current round of XRP accumulation among whales coincided with a minor rebound in recent weeks, according to the latest data. The price of XRP has risen by as much as 65% to 91 cents in less than 3 weeks after hitting a low of 55 cents on January 22, 2022, and has reached 91 cents. As of February 18, the price had fallen back to lower levels, indicating that bulls were reeling under the strain of the 50-week exponential moving average, which was at its highest point on the day. The price behavior on shorter-term charts also implies that a rebound toward $1 is inevitable. Among the fundamental rules of the bull pennant pattern is that it urges the price to move higher if it clearly breaks over the structure's top trend line, with the price aiming for levels above $1 at that point. What do you think about the XRP versus ETH battle? Do you think XRP will beat ETH? Let us know in the comment section. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.